Happening today, the FDA's vaccine advisors are meeting this morning to tackle the next round of questions about COVID-19 booster shots. Today's focus, a booster shot for the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. It comes after the advisory committee approved Moderna booster shots yesterday for certain people. ABC Action News reporter Larissa Scott joins us live in Tampa this morning. She's been following this for a while for us, talking to the experts. Larissa, what's expected to happen at today's meeting?
Well, Dia, according to the CDC, about 15 million people are vaccinated with the one-shot J&J COVID-19 vaccine. And today, the FDA will review safety and efficacy data to see if they should authorize a booster shot.
Johnson & Johnson came out with some of their data. So this is actually an arm of their phase 3 clinical trial.
What the FDA advisory committee will be working to figure out today is what's the best timing for a second dose of the Johnson & Johnson COVID-19 vaccine. Earlier this month, the company asked the FDA to authorize booster shots for its vaccine, but left it up to the FDA and the CDC to decide who should get one and when.
We know that in the beginning, there was a little bit less effective, the Johnson & Johnson vaccine on a single dose. Still highly effective, but a little bit less than the mRNA vaccines. The second dose seems to raise that efficacy right back up to, very highly effective, similar to the mRNA vaccine.
Johnson & Johnson says its data shows a booster dose is recommended at 6 months or later after receiving the first dose, but could be administered as early as 2 months after. The FDA will be looking to see if the company has submitted enough information to recommend boosters.
What J&J has shown, their data, it looks pretty promising. So I can imagine that would certainly go through.
And today's meeting starts at 8:30 this morning. The FDA is expected to vote on those J&J booster shots this afternoon. And then after that, they'll be tackling the topic of mixing and matching vaccine doses with different brands. We'll, of course, continue to keep you updated on this developing story on abcactionnews.com. I'm live in Tampa this morning. Larissa Scott, ABC Action News.